Hi guys, today I will talk about the quad lock. I purchased the quad lock motorcycle handlebar mount for iPhone, quad lock motorcycle vibration damper for smartphone, and quad lock case for iPhone 13 Pro on Amazon. This is a part of quad lock motorcycle handlebar mount for iPhone. This will be directly attached to the handlebar. This is the quad lock, the main part. And the bottom part will be attached to the handlebar. And the blue part, if you push it, you can remove the iPhone from the foundation. This is the damper. This absorbs the vibration coming from the motorcycle. My motorcycle is a XL883N, which is with a lot of vibration. And this is the only tool you need today. First, you use the first part I showed you and you install it, attach it directly to the handlebar. And then you bring the main part. You install it on top of the first part. You adjust the position and choose the place where you want to install. Then you just tighten the screw. Yeah, it takes some time. And then you tighten the second screw. After adjusting the part in your favorite position. And here, the top part where you will attach the phone, you will remove it first. And then bring the damper, put the onto the main part, and deeper inside you can use the same tool to tighten it and attach it onto the foundation or main part. And then you bring the attachment part. I was making sure that the screw is adjusted well so that I can attach this attachment to the foundation well. And the phone attachment part can be installed on top of the foundation, and once again you make sure that you tighten the screw so that nothing falls apart. And this is my phone. It's the iPhone 13 Pro. And this is the quad lock case, iPhone case. You can purchase it on Amazon. And just like any other cases, you just install your phone into the case. There's a slight issue with this case. It's not a major issue, but if you look at it, the speaker of a phone is not really matched to the position of the case. And then you just attach the phone case onto the quad lock. Use the blue part, push it, then you can easily take it out as well. And thank you for watching.